Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Grubhub driver region. So let's get started. So it is very easy to do that. So first of all, go and open your Grubhub app. Okay. So here you have to go and sign in into your account. Okay, sign in with your email or you can just log in with your Amazon. After opening that, you can directly go, and from there you can just, like, at the map option you can just change your regions from there. So this is how to change the region. Okay, so this way you can just do it, and it's an easy way too. So this is how to change the Grubhub driver region. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment sections. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.